Thanks for joining me for another nature walk talk. It's good to be together again. As you can see, I'm still near the ocean, and I was walking by this tree the other day, and it was very thick and weighed down and seemed very heavy and burdened. And today, it's lightened up. Someone carefully trimmed it and opened it up to the wind and to the elements and just lightened it up so it's not so burdened. And that is the inspiration from my message today. I think we need to do whatever we need to do to lighten ourselves up and to get rid of what are the dead branches or what's holding us down, so that we can have a different perspective. Here, in fact, you can look right through. And the other day, it was so thick you couldn't see anything. You didn't know what was on the other side of this tree. So I'd ask you to do what I'm going to now do, which is to think about what needs to be either moved over, tossed away, lightened up, so that I can get a different perspective and that I can let the light in and I can let the wind come through. Whatever it is, whatever image works for you, I'd like you to try that with me. So thanks for another Nature Walk Talk experience. Bye.